Aha moments, our next notice and note signpost, or next thing that we notice while we read. So, um, aha moment, it's when you're reading along and suddenly a character realizes, understands, finally figures something out. You should stop and ask yourself the anchor question. How might this change things? So, an aha moment is like when you walk into class and you notice that there's this huge note on the board that says test today. And you're like, oh no, there's a test today. What? And you suddenly realize it. Or when you come home and you sit on your bed and you look around your room and you're like, my room is really messy. Or here's a good one. When you walk into the house and it smells like garbage and you're like, oh, I forgot to take out the garbage this morning. What? Or when you're a little baby and you realize that you're all messy and you're like, I guess I really am a mess. So once an aha moment happens, then you think, how might this change things for the character, for the plot, for the theme? So how might a little baby or a toddler realizing that they really are a mess change things? Well, the toddler is going to learn how to eat cleaner. Yay! So, aha moment is really good because it connects to the theme. It can also connect to the conflict. So it's really important to notice aha moments and stop and ask yourself questions. Some potential cues or phrases for an aha moment is the author will include phrases about the character, like suddenly I realized, or in an instant I saw, something like that. So those are aha moments. I like aha moments because they tell me a lot about the theme. That's probably the biggest reason why. And we'll get into more of that in the next video.